Did you know that our planet is mostly blue? It's true. Over 70% of Earth is covered by water. We call these vast bodies of water oceans. Oceans are incredibly important for all life on Earth. They regulate our climate, provide us with oxygen, and are home to a dazzling array of creatures. Oceans are like giant swimming pools, but much, much bigger. They are filled with salty water that moves in currents around the globe. These currents help to distribute heat from the sun, keeping our planet at a temperature that can support life. Without oceans, Earth would be a very different place. It would be much hotter in some places and much colder in others. Life as we know it might not even exist. Let's dive in and explore the mysteries of the world's oceans together. Get ready for an amazing adventure. The oceans are incredibly vast. They cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface, which is a whopping 140 million square miles. That's like having a giant swimming pool that could fit all the continents many times over. The Pacific Ocean is the largest of all the oceans. It's so big that it covers more area than all the land on Earth combined. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest, followed by the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. These massive bodies of water are interconnected, forming one global ocean. This means that water can flow freely between them, carrying nutrients and marine life all over the planet. Think about how long it would take to explore every corner of such a vast expanse. It's no wonder that we've only scratched the surface of what the oceans have to offer. Despite their importance, we've only explored a tiny fraction of the world's oceans. In fact, less than 5% of the ocean has been mapped and explored. That means there's still so much we don't know about this vast underwater world. The average depth of the ocean is about 2.3 miles, which is already incredibly deep. But some parts of the ocean are much deeper than that. The deepest point of all is called the Challenger Deep, located in the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. The Challenger Deep plunges down a staggering 7 miles below the surface. That's about the same height as Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, but underwater. Imagine all the incredible creatures and geological formations that could be hiding in these unexplored depths. It's like having another planet right here on Earth, just waiting to be discovered. Oceans are essential for life on Earth. They play a vital role in regulating our climate and producing the air we breathe. In fact, we can thank the oceans for every other breath we take. Phytoplankton, tiny plant-like organisms that live in the ocean, produce more than half of the oxygen in our atmosphere through photosynthesis. They absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen as a byproduct, just like trees and plants do on land. Oceans also act as giant heat sinks, absorbing and distributing heat from the sun. This helps to regulate temperatures around the globe, preventing extreme heat and cold. They also play a crucial role in the water cycle, evaporating water that eventually falls back to Earth as rain and snow. Without oceans, our planet would be a much less hospitable place to live. They are truly the lifeblood of our planet, providing us with the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the stable climate we depend on. Section 5. A world of ecosystems. The oceans are home to a dazzling array of ecosystems, each with its own unique set of plants, animals, and environmental conditions. From vibrant coral reefs to the mysterious deep sea, the underwater world is teeming with life. Coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea because of their incredible biodiversity. These colourful underwater cities are built by tiny animals called coral polyps, which secrete calcium carbonate to create their hard skeletons. Kelp forests are another type of productive ecosystem found in colder, shallower waters. These underwater forests are formed by giant kelp, a type of seaweed that can grow up to 100 feet or 30 meters tall. The open ocean, also known as the pelagic zone, is the vast expanse of water that covers most of the Earth's surface. This seemingly barren environment is actually teeming with life, from microscopic plankton to giant whales. The deep sea, the coldest, darkest part of the ocean, is perhaps the most mysterious ecosystem of all. Despite the extreme conditions, this hidden world is home to a surprising variety of creatures that have adapted to survive in the absence of sunlight. Each of these ecosystems plays a vital role in the health of the ocean and the planet as a whole. Section 6. Wonders of the Deep. The oceans are teeming with fascinating creatures, from microscopic plankton to the largest animal on Earth, the blue whale. Some of these marine animals are bizarre, some are beautiful, and some are downright terrifying. Blue whales, the largest animals ever known, can grow up to 100 feet and weigh over 200 tons. These gentle giants feed on tiny crustaceans called krill, filtering them with their baleen plates. Giant squid, legendary sea monsters, can grow up to 43 feet long with eyes the size of dinner plates. Jellyfish, with their gelatinous bodies and trailing tentacles, are some of the most alien-looking creatures in the ocean. Anglerfish have a fleshy growth on their heads called an esker, which emits light, luring prey towards their gaping jaws. These are just a few examples of the incredible diversity of life found in the world's oceans. Section 7. The human touch. As much as we rely on the oceans, our activities are also having a significant impact on their health. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change are all taking a toll on marine ecosystems and the creatures that depend on them. Pollution from plastic waste, chemicals, and oil spills is a major threat to marine life. Plastic debris can entangle and choke marine animals, while chemicals can poison them and disrupt their delicate ecosystems. Overfishing, the removal of fish from the ocean faster than they can reproduce, is depleting fish populations worldwide. This not only threatens the food security of millions of people who depend on fish for protein, but also disrupts the balance of marine ecosystems. Climate change is also having a profound impact on the oceans. As the planet warms, ocean temperatures are rising, leading to coral bleaching, ocean acidification, and changes in marine life distribution patterns. These human-caused threats are putting the health of our oceans at risk, jeopardizing the vital services they provide and the incredible biodiversity they harbor. Section 8. Secrets of the Sea. Despite all we know about the oceans, they still hold countless secrets waiting to be unlocked. Scientists estimate that there are millions of marine species that we haven't even discovered yet. New technologies are allowing us to explore the oceans in greater detail than ever before. Remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, and autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUVs, can dive deeper and stay underwater longer than humans, capturing stunning images and collecting valuable data about the deep sea. These explorations are constantly revealing new species, strange geological formations, and fascinating insights into how life in the ocean functions. For example, scientists recently discovered hydrothermal vents, underwater geysers that spew out hot mineral-rich water, supporting unique ecosystems that thrive in the absence of sunlight. The more we explore the oceans, the more we realize how much we don't know. Every expedition brings new discoveries, reminding us of the vastness and mystery of the underwater world. Section 9. Protecting our oceans. The oceans are facing unprecedented threats, but there is still hope. By working together, we can protect these vital ecosystems and ensure a healthy future for our planet. Reducing our reliance on single-use plastics, supporting sustainable fishing practices, and transitioning to cleaner sources of energy are all essential steps we can take to protect our oceans. Creating marine protected areas, like underwater national parks, can help to safeguard critical habitats and allow marine life to thrive. These areas can also serve as valuable research sites, providing insights into how to better manage and conserve our oceans. Educating ourselves and others about the importance of ocean conservation is crucial. By understanding the threats facing our oceans and the actions we can take to protect them, we can all become ocean stewards. Section 10. A call to action. The future of our oceans, and indeed our planet, depends on our actions. We all have a role to play in protecting these vital ecosystems. Whether it's reducing our plastic consumption, making sustainable seafood choices, or supporting organizations dedicated to ocean conservation, There are many ways we can make a difference. Let's all do our part to ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the wonders of the ocean and benefit from the vital services they provide. The time to act is now. Let's make waves of change together.